Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an important topic that's been on everyone's mind lately, the US stock market sell-off. I'll be breaking down the reasons behind this sell-off in simple terms so you can stay informed and understand what's going on. So let's get started. Once I'm done with this, I will be going quick on our analysis, but I think it's way much important for me to actually let you understand what's really happening on the market. Don't just get surprised what's really happening and all that. You can see here on the screen, it's Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple. So yeah, since I will be actually explaining the terms, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Yeah. So why is the US stock market selling off? There are a few key factors at play here, and I'll explain them one by one. So the first point, I actually have 10 points for you. So which means I will be going straight to first point until the last one. So the first one, I will say trade wars. First up, we have trade wars, uncertain trade policies, especially the on-again, off-again tariffs are causing a worry among investors. When big decisions are up in the air, it creates a lot of uncertainty, and the stock market doesn't like that. Point number two, recession fears. I think if you checked the news, Trump was asked this question yesterday. Go check that. And I think that obviously did not really sit well with the investors. So there are recession fears. People are scared that the economy might slow down. The ominous whispers of an impending recession have spooked even the most seasoned traders. So point number three, tech stocks drop. I think you saw we trade Nasdaq, we all know about this. So another big factor is the drop in tech stocks. Big tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla are taking a nosedive, dragging the market down with them. You can see on the chart there. You can see on the screen, sorry, not on the chart. So point number four, economic slowdown. You know Doge department in the US. So we also have an economic slowdown. Growth is slowing and prices are rising, making investors nervous. This dreaded combination of stagnant growth and rising inflation, it's making Wall Street jittery. So it's called stagflation. So the prices are rising, but the economy is slowing down. So that is not really good for the market also. Point number five, less government spending. Less government spending is another reason. Trump economic detox plan is causing withdrawals symptoms in the market as wins of government spending. Point number six, negative outlook. Negative outlooks from businesses and consumers are adding to the market's woes. Surveys showing increased pessimism among businesses and consumers are making the situation worse. Point number seven, uncertain tariffs. The on-again, off-again tariffs are creating a roller coaster ride of uncertainty for investors. Changing tariffs are creating uncertainty in the market. I think you all saw that, right? It's not really good. So point number six, manufacturing issues. Efforts to bring manufacturing jobs back to the US, as Trump always says, back to the US are causing market disruptions. Trump's push to bring manufacturing back to the US, it's creating chaos in the market. Point number 9, tech innovation doubts. We're talking about AI. Concerns about the future of technology are impacting stocks. The recent slump in AI-driven stocks have investors questioning the future of tech innovation. So the last point, which is market reactions. Lastly, we have market reactions. The constant barrage of market news and knee-jerk reaction are amplifying the sell-off. It's like a feedback loop. Bad news causes a sell-off, which leads to more bad news, and so on. I hope maybe this makes sense. So with that, I think maybe now you understand what's really happening on the market. And if you find all this information useful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, because I'm trying to make sure that you understand everything, making sure that I compile everything for you, and yeah, just for you to understand what's really happening. So now we can see here we are on Nasdaq. As I said, we are going to also go on our quick analysis. You can see that the market is still on this sell-off here on Nasdaq. Do you see that? I was expecting maybe to see a proper reversal yesterday here, but it seems like nope, the market is not ready to do that. But I like the fact that even though the market did melt down, we have these smaller reversals, which might actually push the market to go up. I think at the moment we have a proper nice structure, unlike before, because before the structure was around this level. So now at least it did catch up with us here. I think this is a proper support area. I'm expecting the market to do or to give us a nice structure going further. I think soon we are going to see some reversals. I think we are going to get that. So yeah, the market might still panic, but you know what? The best thing that you can do, make sure that you don't really fight the market. Don't fight the market. I hope maybe that makes sense. So let's push to the next one. US30. On the US30 side, we also got the same thing. We had this nice support area yesterday. I thought maybe the market was going to respect that. And yeah, I think today we also have CPI. I forgot to check the economic calendar. So, but we'll check that. So I think we have CPI as we checked that yesterday. I think here the market might push the market nice. I think maybe later on we might have a very nice move. Just look at that. Now it starts to make sense. It seems like the market was trying to connect with other structures before we see a nice push. I think we're going to have some proper buy positions going further. I hope maybe this makes sense. I think the market might push up around that level. So guys, for those who wants to join the team, I made everything easier for everyone. For those who wants to join lifetime signals from 110, you can join our lifetime signals for $48. But this one, it's crazy also if you want our signal indicator. But this is going to end this Friday. You can also get it for $48. So just let me know if you want to be part of the team. You can scan this QR code here. You can see the price of that signal indicator. It's actually $150, but lifetime signals also 110. So which means for now you can pay $48 for each. If you want both, you can just let me know. So this is what we have actually. So I think the market is now giving us a proper structure. Even if it's giving us structures like this, let's not really fight the market. Let's go a little bit slower. At the end of the day, we might be right. But it seems like the market is still willing to sell off. On the other economic news, I saw US delegation yesterday. They actually reached a deal with Ukraine. So I think now they left with they left with Russia. If maybe everything goes according to the plan, I think this coming week, we will see actually a ceasefire. And if that happens, one way or another, we might start to see a slowdown here on gold, because gold like chaos. Gold likes uncertainty, or let's say unstable situations. Gold likes that. When there is this chaos, gold will start to do what? To go higher and higher. But that's how it is. You see that? So yes, we expect it to reverse here and there, but we also have tariffs and stuff like that. So that makes gold to be quite stronger. I hope maybe that makes sense. Let's go to the last one, because this video actually I was just trying to share why the US stock market is selling off. So on GbpUsd, I think the market is trying to show us that, you know what, we are still on that nice uptrend. I'm expecting to see maybe the market breaking out here, or maybe the market might try to reverse a little bit before we go higher again. It seems like GBP is quite stronger at the moment, so we're expecting a continuation of that buy. I hope maybe that makes sense. So without wasting much time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Remember, you can get special. Scan that QR code, talk to me, get that indicator for $48, lifetime for $48. Then yeah, or you can just try our 1 month mentorship, signals for only $16. So anyways, thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.